Hi, this is Kevin Cook here at Star Tractor. Got one of our RM300s going out on rent. A couple pieces over there are getting ready to go out on rent. Beautiful Cat 120M getting ready to go. Leaving today. Our little water truck's leaving today. This is the only one we have now. Our 450 dozer's leaving today. And this beautiful Cat 329F is leaving today. Going all out on rent. Beautiful machines, beautiful. If you're looking for something like this, give me a call at 817-733-3799. And don't get me wrong, we still have equipment. If you need anything, give us a call at 817-733-3799. Thank you, and God bless.